Disrespect doesn't always shout. Sometimes it tests how much silence you can hold. People don't cross boundaries. Suddenly, they slowly notice how much you allow. The most powerful response to disrespect is not anger, it's control. Today, you won't learn how to fight back. You'll learn how to rise above. Because silence, used correctly, makes regret unavoidable. 1. Stop explaining yourself. The moment you stop explaining, disrespect loses its fuel. People who misunderstand you on purpose don't deserve clarification. Silence teaches lessons. Explanations never can. When you stop proving your worth, they start questioning their behavior. You don't owe clarity to those committed to misunderstanding you. 2. Emotional detachment. Detachment is not coldness, it's emotional intelligence. When your mood no longer reacts to them, control quietly shifts. Disrespect expects emotion. Calm confuses it. Nothing unsettles disrespect more than peace. Your calm becomes their unanswered question. 3. Reduced access. You don't need to cut people off. Just stop overgiving. Distance is a response, not a punishment. Limited access creates unlimited reflection. When you're less available, your value becomes clearer. Absence explains what words never could. 4. No emotional reaction. Disrespect feeds on reactions. The moment you stop reacting, the game ends. Silence denies them the reward they were seeking. Your unbothered energy becomes the loudest response. Control yourself, and you control the outcome. 5. Self-respect over approval. You don't lose people. When you choose self-respect, you lose disrespect. Approval-seeking invites disrespect. The moment you stop shrinking, they feel exposed. Self-worth quietly changes how others treat you. When you value yourself, disrespect feels uncomfortable to others. 6. Calm boundaries. Boundaries don't need anger, they need consistency. A calm boundary feels heavier than a loud argument. When access is limited, behavior adjusts. Silently enforcing boundaries teaches respect. You don't warn twice when you know your worth. 7. Growth without announcement. The strongest response is becoming unrecognizable in a healthy way. Glow quietly. Let regret speak for itself. When you evolve, disrespect feels outdated. Nothing hurts disrespect more than your progress. Success doesn't argue, it moves on. They don't regret losing loud people, they regret losing calm ones. Disrespect fades when silence stands firm, and regret becomes their lesson. You didn't react, you elevated. Silence didn't make you weak, it made you unforgettable. If this video spoke to you, it wasn't by accident. Stay with mindful ways, protect your peace, and grow stronger every day.